If you think about why the Mustang, it's the stance. My car is actually a coupe. It's more classic, and you can mold it to be whatever kind of car you want, which is what I'm doing to it. So the first thing I decided was what engine's gonna go in there. The crated Coyote with a supercharger on it. I want it to look mean, and that car had the DNA to look mean. With a little bit change here and there, it can look meaner. The color is called the gunmetal gray. We have some hot rod black, we have some red stripes on it. Overall, we really took care of the stance of that car. What I wanted is the car that I wanted with the reliability and comfort of a brand new car. LCD displays, no gauges, no buttons, all touch. It means telemetry built in the car. It means authentication, power, windows, everything is power. We had the technology and we're bringing it to life. And the mix of these two, the classic and the modern, is what makes this car very, very special.